Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and today I am going to answer most of your queries with respect to TCS, admit card, interviews, result, background verification, joining, onboarding, because I know many of you does not have the clarity. Many of you are asking, sir, my friend wrote exam on this date, got offer letter on this date, started the BGC, but for me there is no admit card. Like these questions are coming. Okay, so I thought I will tell you what I know. Even I don't have the complete information, but whatever I know, that I'm going to tell you. So here I have some screenshot, and with that screenshot I will try to explain you. So please do not worry. तो जितना मुझे पता है उतना आपको पता हो जाएगा. ओके, सो बिफोर दैट फ्रेंड्स, आई जस्ट वांट यू टू लाइक द वीडियो यार. सी, योर वन लाइक gives us a lot of motivation. Chalo yaar, you have this kind of problems, you have that kind of problem, let me make a videos. Students should not be worried, students should not be panicked. Okay, so we think in all these directions. So please do hit the like to the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, now, so friends, I know around 20% of the student has not yet received the admit card. Okay, for some colleges, the one by one I will explain all those things. So for some colleges, they have not even given the admit card till now. Okay, see, TCS exams happens in phases. Already TCS were conducting this examination in between this Nasik case, you know, right? The TCS dark reality. Actually, TCS does not have involvement in that. Company does not have any kind of involvement, but the people inside the company has created this mess. So all these things were already happening, things are going smooth, but in between something happens. Okay, now, but anyway, TCS has still sending the admit cards. Today only one of the students said, sir, I received the admit card and the exam is now going to happen on 21st of April 2026. Okay, so today is 16th, so after 5 days again we have this 21st of April, we have this examination. So if you have not received the admit card, I will tell that please wait. See, this is what we are seeing. See, whatever you are seeing, that is what I am also seeing. So TCS NQT All India Batch 21st of April 2026 admit card. Please be informed that the admit card of TCS NQT All India Batch, which is scheduled on Tuesday April, is now available to download by logging in at the link given below. That link you already know. So regarding admit card, if you have not yet received, you need to wait. Even after waiting, if you are not getting, then nothing can be done. You cannot go and tell TCS that, Bhaiya, where is my admit card? TCS is not going to respond on that. Okay, whatever mail you send it to ILP, they will only tell if you are eligible, you will get the admit card. That is their standard. I feel sometimes it is bot reply only. Okay, so please forget about that. Okay, now, so the second points what I have put here is interview. Okay, so see friends, first of all, you don't compare yourself with someone. Okay, my friend wrote the exam on same day, he got the interview mail on this day. Okay, I did not get. See, your friend, right, your friend were there in the in school with you, right? So in class 7th, in class 8th, class 9th, class 10th, right? So your friend was there in all the classes with you. He has scored 90%, you have scored 70%. That time you did not say, sir, my friend has scored 90%, I have scored 70%. But now, when you are not getting the interview mail, that time you have the concerns. So there are two reasons you are not getting the interview mails or result. See, interview mail will come if you have performed well in the written test, and the final result will come if you have performed well in both written and interview. Now friends, see, this particular student, so I think day before yesterday, he sent one mail. Hi sir, I am your long time subscriber and follower. I attended the TCS NQT exam study on 1st of April 2026. In the first shift, I want to confirm my selection ability. See, frankly, if you'll ask me, I don't know if you will get selected or not, if you will tell me this data. Because what actually you have done, see, you are coming and telling, sir, I did 7 questions in numerical ability, which is 100% correct. But how I should assume that it is 100% correct? And I can tell you the selection probability, no. But I cannot demotivate, or I cannot put a student in such kind of situations. Okay, I cannot demotivate him basically. So I did my coding part and advanced aptitude as well. So aptitude around 8 to 9 out of 14 will be correct, and coding first question 7 by 7, second question 4 by 7. So if you'll see this, you will also understand that yes, he has done well. So in the aptitude part, I did well in verbal ability and reasoning, but in numerical ability, something and all, I said yes, there is a possibility. Right? Okay. Then he said, sir, I got the interview mail. So hi sir, good morning. So 1st of April he wrote. Okay. And day before yesterday, that means 14th of April, Ambedkar Jayanti, he got this interview mail. Sir, hi sir, good morning. I cleared NQT and got shortlisted for digital interview, sir. Thank you very much. You played very important role in my last minute preparation. Okay, I am not here to show that what I have done, because if you are a subscriber of Online Study for You, you know what Online Study for You has done. If you go to the live section of our YouTube channel, you will come to know that how much effort we had put. And till now we have got the data of 1200 students that they are selected. Okay, that they are selected from Online Study for You, and these data are increasing. Okay, so we have created 2 WhatsApp group for now. Okay, so if you are also selected, then you can fill the Google form, and we are going to help you. Google form, and we are going to help you till you're joining, because many of the student has issues in BGC. Okay, this document is not there, that document is not there. Shall I fill this? Shall I not fill this? Lot of confusion is across the student, and that's the reason I'm planning a live session today. on YouTube from 9:30 p.m. So if you are one such, then please comment live. See, if suppose 5 people comes for live, 10 people comes for live, then definitely I will not take live. So please comment live. Okay, if more number of comments are there, I'm definitely going to take a live session at 9:30 p.m. because I know from my past experience that you will have issues, and that is the reason we created a Google form. That link is in description. If you are a selected candidate, if you are selected from only from Online Study for You, either from the course and the videos, then only you join this Google form. In the Google form we have given the WhatsApp link, so we will add you to the group until you're joining. Till then you get inside TCS, we will be there behind you. And in that WhatsApp group we have the TCS employees also there. TCS employees are also there who will be helping you. These are the employees who got selected last year, last year, and they are going to help you. So you get help from the real person, not from some fake person. And all this for how much money? 0 rupees. We are not charging any money for that, right? See, people have made it business. Okay, for everything we cannot make business. We have to help a student, those who are in problem. Okay, so now he has the interview. Okay, so we truly appreciate. At the next step, we'll be rescheduling your one in-person interview on 28th of April, right? So this is one candidate who has the interview. Now another candidate, but if you are selected, then only you will be getting the interview mail. So my request to all of you, those who are waiting for interview, those who are waiting for result, you have to wait for at least 1 month, and within 1 month if you are not getting, then you have to assume that you are not selected. Don't compare with your friends, don't compare with someone, and don't feel bad. That is a reality, because everybody cannot get selected in TCS. If 50,000 people, if 40,000 people wrote the exam, that many seats are not there, then you will not get selected. If 1 lakh student gave the exam, it will not happen like that. Okay, so submit your now. So this your interview and result, be very clear. If you are selected, then only you will be getting. Now BGC. So BGC, the main question is coming. See, for 2024 batch and 2025 batch, lot of mistakes people have done. Okay, so there are 2 categories: 2024, 2025 who has all the documents, and there are 2026 who has the limited documents. Okay, because your 8th semester is not yet over. So भैया document कहाँ से आएगा जब एग्जाम ही नहीं दिया हुआ है, राइट? जब शादी नहीं किया तो बच्चे कहाँ से आएंगे? इट्स ए बैड जोक, बट जस्ट वन एग्जाम्पल. Okay, now so 2026 batch, sir, shall I fill the BGC or not? Yes, the BGC 3 steps are there. Okay, so personal information, and then your BGC, and then BGC documentation. Okay, here your BGC documentation will be there. Here your BGC you need to submit. Okay, after filling the details, and here all your personal information and all are there. So for 2026 batch, you fill the personal information, you go and you submit the BGC. Even if you submit this BGC here, no problem. And then you go and fill the BGC document also, and then submit, final submit. But sir, I do not have 8th semester marks card. It's okay, no problem. So now once you submit with your 6th semester or whatever documents you have, or 7th semester, then it will be logged, okay? You will not be able to further edit. And after you get your joining letter, then what will happen? These sections will be again open for you to edit, and that time you upload. One thing everyone has to keep in mind, because of BGC, no, it will not happen that you will not be able to join. Nahi bhai, BGC tumne galat submit kar diya, now you will not be able to join. No. 3 times opportunity you will be getting minimum. So TCS will send, "Arey bhaiya, document was wrong. Arey bhaiya, document was missing. Submit it." 3 times, not 1 time. So after you submit this 1, 2, 3, okay, even after that TCS will tell you, chalo, you come and join. Later on you submit the document. So please don't worry so much here. Don't get panic when I see you in the panic situation. No, idhar dard hota hai yaar, I feel pain here, okay? So you don't worry. That is the reason I'm going to take a live today. Chalo bhai, live to live, face to face discussion karte hain. Aa jao. 1 hour, 2 hours, okay? I will answer all your queries, but don't get panic, okay? TCS will give you multiple opportunities, and anyway, I'm explaining you all those things. Why to worry, okay? 2024 and 5 batch, you please submit the documents, whatever you have, okay? Here, 15 days before of your joining, so your non-criminal affidavit, medical, and NSR, okay? So that 3 links will be open for you to upload. I mean, 15 days back, all the sections you will be able to edit except your name. Ab name pehle dala tha Pratik Kumar. Now you will not put the name Saloni Kumari, right? So name changes when it happens. Name changer doesn't happen, no, our name. So that is the reason your name, the personal field, okay, where your name, date of birth, father name, pita thode na badal jayenge bhai, okay? I changed my father after 10th. I changed my father after graduation. But okay, so that will not happen. So this one you get it done within this 15 days. Now I am seeing many students are just doing it now only, when TCS itself is clearly telling that you do it once you get this joining letter. Kya jaldi hai bhai? Chand pe jana hai. You have to go in TCS only. Why are you getting it done now? See, I explained you earlier also. Now suppose today, okay, today you do not have any criminal charges, okay, but tomorrow, okay, and you still have 6 months in joining, okay, now you got the NCA done, non-criminal affidavit, but after 2 months, okay, from Nasik, if somebody comes and tells, "Arey bhaiya, he was involved in the sexual exploitment," okay, something like that, what you will do? 6 months back you are not a criminal. 6 months back, all the employees in TCS were not a criminal, but now today they're involved in the criminal offense, right? Okay, so that is the reason NCA, everything you have to get it done 15 days back. But if you have already got it done NSR some days back, don't worry, okay? See, this is what you have to do. But if you have already done, don't worry, kuch aisa nahi hoga ki you will be not called for TCS, nahi, aisa nahi hoga, that will not happen, okay? Joining onboarding, many of the students are coming and telling, "Sir, I got my offer letter. Tell me when is my onboarding." Arey bhai, astrologer hu main. See, one fact, I am not like other YouTubers. I am not like other person. If I don't know something, admit it. No, I don't know when your joining and onboarding will happen, because you are coming. Arey, your onboarding will happen. I'll see your hand. Very nice lines. Your onboarding will happen next month. I don't have the capabilities. I'm telling you, even the HRs in TCS will not be knowing that when and who will get onboarded. This happens based on the requirement, on your language basis, okay, on your resume basis. So nobody will have any information regarding that. So you don't keep asking, and you also need to understand that your onboarding, see, this year everything is happening very fast, but still You also have to keep in mind that your onboarding might take 2 to 8 months, and I should also tell you the same thing. If you get it before that, then well and good. If you get the joining before that, well and good. But if you don't get, then you will come and start abusing me. अरे सर आप तो C cube हो, मतलब C for, you know, understand, right? So that not even a square cube. So I don't want to get into that situation where I lost trust from you. Okay, so joining is happening fast. There might be a possibility that everybody will be joining soon, but still you have to keep in mind that there might be a delay of 2 to 8 months. See, 2026 batch by pehle graduation to kar lo. But anyway, for 2026 batch also, for some of the student, they have triggered the joining letter. Okay, so that is also the fact. So keeping in mind all those things, we have to wait. Okay, now irrespective of what batch you are, okay, so fill the Google form which is given in the description. It is strictly for online study for you student, either through YouTube channel if you have studied, or through the course, then only. Okay, and then there is a link. Okay, you have to send the request. We will add you to the WhatsApp group if you are a selected candidate, and after that in the group you have the TCS employee who are going to help you at every stage. Please don't worry. So until we push you inside the company, you will have the support of Pratik Srivastava. You remember the name, okay? Even last to last year student also you can ask, and today also I'm telling you, you remember the name. When you will join into TCS, okay, there'll be many employees. If you'll go and ask them that, you know, if they would have joined 1 or 2 years before, or even 3 to 4 years before, there'll be many employees you will found who knows online study for you and who knows Pratik sir. See, I'm not praising myself, but that's my confidence, and it's all because of you. Because you have given the results, you have studied hard, okay? We have spent so much time, not only me, we all have spent so much time during your TCS examination, and that is giving me confidence to tell that you are my student and we are together as a family. So you must have seen, see, it's already got 3 weeks back 100k views. So it's not 100k views, 1 lakh people have got benefited from a single video. That is what it shows. Okay, and that is the reason we are able to see, as I said you, like already we have the data of 1200 plus students, and it is keep increasing. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Comment live, I'll come live to see you. Thank you.